Dear students, today we are going to learn how to write an application for school leaving certificate. So let's start. The principal, British Public School, Islamabad. Subject: Request for school leaving certificate. Sir, with respect it is stated that my father has been transferred to Lahore. I cannot stay here alone. Therefore, kindly issue me school leaving certificate so that I can get my admission in Lahore. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently. Roll number, date. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Fizz Education and hit the bell icon for early notifications.